In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use OneXBet promo code if you are in Pakistan. It's very easy, so please follow these steps carefully. So when you enter into your OneXBet app, you have to log out from your current OneXBet account. To do that, you click on menu, then you click on the settings buttons above. When you do that, you scroll down and click on log out of account. Then you log out. You wait for a few seconds while it logs you out. So when you are logged out, you click on the big green register button above. Then the next section, you click on full. So on this next section, you input all the necessary information needed, and country, you input your country, Pakistan, and then after putting your country, Pakistan, your currency to Pakistan rupees, and then for the promo code section, input your promo code Chelsea TV. After inputting your promo code Chelsea TV, you get a 300% bonus on your first deposit, which is when you deposit 10,000 Pakistan rupees, you get 40,000 Pakistan rupees. It's as easy as that. Then you register.